going to show you how to start your Nitro RC car after a while. So first you need to fill your fuel tank. Oops. There we go. There, just a little. After that, you switch on your transmitter first, then the car. Actually, you switch off the car and you adjust this little thing here to full throttle. Then you pull this 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get fuel going into the carburetor. Then you switch the car on, put the glow starter in, and hopefully it will start. If it doesn't, then switch off the car, then pump some more fuel into it until you can see fuel going into the carburetor again. Switch your car on, put the glow starter on, and it hopefully will start.